Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the GM certified 2017 Chevy Equinox LT all-wheel drive. Stock number Z9730XX. Only 18,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report. Patriot Blue Metallic in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection. Give you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and a 6-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000 mile bumper to bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Equinox is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, seats 5, cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers, split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items, backup camera for additional safety, lots of cargo space in the rear with additional power outlet, and very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Read gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, or Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio, heating and air conditioning, along with heated front seats, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, as well as economy mode. Lots of storage in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 20 miles to the gallon and a city average of 28 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.